In this session, let us talk about credit risk rating. Credit risk rating is one of the credit appraisal tool. Here, credit risk will be assessed by carrying out a rating exercise. What happens is marks will be assigned here for different parameters and evaluation will be done on the basis of already fixed standards. Maximum slabs will be fixed, or we can say threshold. Okay, so already a threshold will be fixed for certain parameters, so there is going to be a preset standards and based on those standards, achievement or non-achievement, marks will be awarded. Grades will be given or marks will be given for known risk as well. Okay, so here each risk is going to be assigned weights and then credit score will be arrived. Now this credit risk factors can be divided under two categories. One is measurable factors, the other one is judgmental inputs. Measurable factors are those factors which can be let's say quantitatively measured, say something like current ratio, debt equity ratio, whereas judgmental inputs are those factors which are qualitative or subjective in nature, like management quality or default likelihood of the borrower. But nowadays there are, even for qualitative components, default mathematical models have been developed. Even there are formula for calculating the default probability and bankruptcy as well. Okay, right. And the next step is the bank should decide whether the proponents or the borrower's marks are at acceptable level. Okay, this will be decided based on the borrower's financial standing and performance. It means borrower's financial standing and performance will be rated for scoring. And not only these factors, there will be some factors which will not lend to statistical measurements. The factors like management, the quality of maintenance of accounts, even other similar factors. Even those factors will be rated for scoring, and then only the borrower's marks will be arrived at. Okay. Next, if this credit rating score happens to be below the cutoff point, then credit will not be taken up. Okay, or that loan proposal will not be taken up for further processing. The another important factor which the bank should ensure is for what purpose this loan is going to be taken and whether that purpose fits within the bank's credit policy. In case if the proposed activity of the borrower is on the banned list or restricted list, then credit will not take up the proposal for processing. Okay, so the proposed activity of the borrower should not be on the banned list or restricted list. Then bank should also check whether sanction of loan is going to result in any breach of concentration limits, because banks will be having limits for group exposure, industry exposure, even they'll have limits for individual exposure, whether there is going to be any breach. If that is the case, then again they'll not take up the proposal. Okay, so if these tests are not qualified, then proposal will be rejected.
This video, hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.